dear high school learners. I am Teacher Rose,
I am Teacher Mercy,
and
we will be your teachers for this session.
welcome to another session of fun and learning as we venture once again into the world of science. In the previous grade level, you understood that living matter is made of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen, with some sulfur and phosphorus. Biological diversity has its molecular basis in carbon's ability to form a huge number of molecules with particular shapes and chemical properties. Are you ready? Brace yourselves because today we will first identify the 4 types of biological macromolecules. Second, explain how the structure of biological molecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins determine their properties. But before we begin the learning journey, let's first have a little mental workout. On page 3 of your Physical Science Module 6, you will see an activity entitled Do This. Arrange the jumbled letters and match it to its description. The first word is, this means polymers built from monomers. The second word is, this means it includes both sugar and polymer sugar. The third word is, this means it is a diverse group of hydrophobic molecules. The fourth word is, this means it stores, transmit, and help express hereditary information. The fifth word is, this means it includes a diversity of structures resulting in a wide range of functions. Are you done? Let's check if your answers are correct. Here are the correct answers. Wow! You got them all right! Good job!
Food provides the body with nutrients it needs to survive. Many of these critical nutrients elements are biological macromolecules, or large molecules necessary for life. What specific types of biological molecules do living things require? How are these macromolecules formed? What function do they serve? What is a biological macromolecule? Biological molecules are organic molecules. When we refer to a molecule as organic in a biological sense, we mean that the molecule contains atoms of carbon that are bonded with atoms of hydrogen. A macromolecule is a large molecule or compound which is made of multiple smaller molecules called subunits bonded together. Macro is a prefix that means large. There are 4 main types of biological macromolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Most biological macromolecules are also considered to be polymers. Poly means many, and mer means unit. Polymers are macromolecules that are built of repeating subunits called monomers. Mono means one. When monomers join together to form a polymer, we call this polymerization. Carbohydrates are molecules consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Monosaccharide carbohydrates bond to form carbohydrate polymers, or polysaccharides. Lipids are nonpolar macromolecules characterized by hydrocarbon chains. Lipids are not soluble in water. Proteins are polymers made of amino acids monomers. Proteins are complex and varied structures and carry out a number of different functions. nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. They are polymers made of nucleotide monomers. These macromolecules are adapted to store and transmit genetic information.
This time, I'd like to know if you have listened well to the presentation. Summarize your learning by filling up this table. I will give you 3 minutes to answer this activity. Are you ready? Let's begin.